My YouTube revenue is down 60%. What in the world is going on? Hello everybody, my name is Sanat and welcome to my channel where we talk about everything personal finance, to investing in real estate, to buying stocks, to making money online, and of course, making money on YouTube. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about my YouTube revenue, especially last month, because since then, my revenue has dropped 60%. I know the economy is crashing. I know a lot of people are feeling the effects, and YouTubers are feeling the same effect. Restaurants are closed. There are a ton of businesses that have changed their hours or closed completely, laid off a ton of people, and it seems that YouTube creators are feeling the crunch as well. I have talked to multiple YouTubers, and all of them have experienced a real big decline in their revenue this month and the previous month. Some have lost 30 to 40%, and some of them 70 to 80%. In my specific case, I have lost about 60% of my revenue that I normally get from YouTube. Now it has dropped significantly. I'm not sure why exactly this is happening, but it is affecting a lot of YouTubers. Now I will take you to my YouTube dashboard where I will show you all my numbers from this month and the previous month, so you can see how much revenue my channel has lost in the last couple of months. Now, let's switch on over. Alright, now you can see we are inside of my YouTube channel. This is my main dashboard. This is where you're going to see all the information about my YouTube channel. You can see that I have 1,612 subscribers. Right here is my latest video on how to buy stocks with Webull and how to get 2 free stocks. Alright, so now if you look at right here, the summary for the last 28 days, you will see that my views have dropped 18%. My watch time hours have dropped 23%. And my revenue has dropped 55%. It is a major drop in revenue, but my subscriber count keeps growing and everything seems to be alright, except my revenue. Alright, so now we're going to click on analytics. And in my analytics, you're able to see how many views I have gotten in the last 28 days. And so far, I have gotten 23,532 views, which is not bad. And then right here, my subscriber count and the views that I got in the last 48 hours, which is 1,714 views. And now we're going to see my view count. And as you can see, I average anywhere from 7, 8, 900,000 views every single day. And so far in the last 28 days, my channel has made $212, which is significantly lower than my previous month. And now when we click on revenue, you are able to see the previous months of earnings compared to this month. So far in February, I made $558. In January, that is when my channel first got monetized. That was my first month of actually being monetized on YouTube. And my channel has made $423. But then in March, it starts dropping down to $346. And so far in April, it has dropped to $104. April is still not complete yet, but it is on track to earn about $200. So that is significant droppage in revenue that my channel is making. I know my channel is brand new and prices will fluctuate up and down every single month. But speaking to my friends that do YouTube as well, and they have been doing YouTube for 2 to 5 years, and their revenue have dropped as well. And every other YouTuber that I have talked to so far since this issue arose, they have experienced major drops in revenue as well. And now here's the chart of the last 365 days. As you can see, it started out doing really good. I was making about $20 a day. And then out of nowhere, it just dropped. Now it's anywhere from $6 to $10 a day. And it looks like it's experiencing an even more drop, down to $5, $6 a day, which is still not bad, but it does represent a major drop in revenue on this channel. Now that you saw the dashboard of my channel, you saw all the numbers of how much money this channel actually makes. I'm just making this video to see how many other YouTubers are experiencing drops in their revenue. I know a drop from 10 to 20%, it's about normal, especially in the beginning of the year when a lot of companies do not promote as much. But seeing drops of 50 to 80% in revenue it is very alarming, especially for people that make a living off of YouTube and that is their only source of income. Seeing your income drop 50 to 80% can be very, very detrimental to your financial situation. I'm not trying to complain in any way whatsoever. I am very grateful for all the earnings that I have made on YouTube so far. I am extremely grateful to everybody that watches my videos, everybody that smashes the like button right here. Make sure you hit it. And all my loyal subscribers, I am very, very thankful and grateful that I have this opportunity to make some money on YouTube, making videos and trying to help out as many people as I possibly can. So why do I think this is happening? I have a couple of theories, but I'm not sure if any of them are 100% correct. First off, I think it is because the economy is crashing. Everything is being shut down right now. A lot of businesses are tight on cash. And when businesses are tight on cash, a lot of them do not spend money on marketing and promoting. And what does that mean? That means all those companies are keeping money in their bank accounts and not spending it on YouTube or other platforms in order to advertise. And that all trickles down to content creators like myself that make videos, and then the videos get less ads shown and thus decreasing the revenue of the content creators. Also, when businesses and big companies spend less money on advertising, on ads, this brings down the entire ecosystem because there is less competition. When companies are competing for ads, competing for keywords that they want to target, that drives the price up of the ads. But when there's less companies competing, the price of those ads drops down. Now, the same company that used to pay $10 or $20 per keyword is now paying $5 to $6 per keyword. And this causes people that are making videos to earn less because now the ads that are shown on their videos are earning less money simply because there's not enough competition to drive the price up. That is my first theory. I'm not sure exactly how correct it is, but that is something that I have come up with in the last couple of weeks of doing research and thinking what could be the problem. My second theory, it is the beginning of the year. I know a lot of YouTubers experience slow growth and slower earnings in the first half of the year. This could be for many reasons. Also, research shows that the first half of the year is very slow when it comes to revenue and growth on a lot of YouTube channels. But the second half of the year is where a lot of YouTubers make the majority of their money, especially during the holidays when a lot of companies are fighting for ads. A lot of YouTubers tend to make the majority of their money in those last 3 to 4 months of the year. So we could just be having a very, very slow first half of the year. And hopefully second half, it will pick up and everything will balance out. That is my second guess. My third opinion, it is combination of everything. Of the shutdown that is going on right now, companies not having money, being the first of the year. Also, YouTubers slacking. Personally, last month, I made 3 videos less than I did the month before, but I do not think that is a major factor. And especially now, the more my revenue started decreasing, the more videos I have been putting out in order to offset the decrease. So I've been creating more videos, I've been creating more content in order to offset the current situation. And hopefully all this work that I'm putting in now, making more videos, creating more content, helping more people, will pay off at the second half of the year when these videos start getting more views and ads start picking up again. That is my current situation. That is my current opinion. So let me know in the comment section below how much your channel has lost in the last month or two, or if your channel has gained even more, let me know in the comment section below. I'm very curious to see what other YouTubers are experiencing, what kind of drops or increases everybody's having due to the economy being completely shut down. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know in the comment section below, why do you think YouTubers are experiencing drops in revenue the last month or two? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Maybe it is something completely different than what I mentioned in this video. Maybe it's exactly what I mentioned in this video. Who knows? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright everybody, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button right here. Make sure you click it. It helps this channel out tremendously. Hopefully that will boost my YouTube algorithm and help me get to the revenue that I was making last month. but every like counts, every share counts, and I greatly, greatly appreciate everybody liking the videos, subscribing to my channel, all that good stuff. And for all the people that are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, one piece of advice that I have for you, go for it. Start the channel as soon as you possibly can. Just don't quit your job too early before you start making money on YouTube. Money on YouTube fluctuates. Every single month is different. Some months it can be very, very profitable. Some months you probably think to yourself, man, why did I even start this? But in the long term, it will pay off. All you have to do is stay consistent, create valuable content, and help out as many people as possible. But make sure you start your channel. Follow your dreams. Do absolutely everything you possibly can in order to achieve them. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.